What if you could write emails in seconds, create professional thumbnails, edit videos automatically, remove photo backgrounds with one click, and even get instant answers to your questions, for free? In today's video, I'm sharing the 10 best free AI tools that can save you time and make your work much easier. Let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Now let's count down the best free AI tools you should start using today. Tool 1, ChatGPT. First on the list is ChatGPT. It's one of the most popular AI assistants available today. You can use it to write emails, summarize long articles, generate ideas, explain difficult topics, create study notes, write code, or even plan your next project. If you're a student, content creator, or office worker, ChatGPT can save you a lot of time every day. Writing, learning, coding, brainstorming. Tool 2, Google Gemini. Next is Google Gemini. It's great for research, answering questions, generating ideas, and helping you write content. If you already use Google services like Gmail or Google Docs, Gemini fits naturally into that workflow. Research, Google Workspace. Writing, summaries. Tool 3, Canva AI. If you create social media posts, YouTube thumbnails, presentations, or posters, Canva AI is a fantastic choice. It can generate images, suggest designs, remove backgrounds, and speed up your creative work, even if you have no design experience. Tool 4, Microsoft Designer. Microsoft Designer helps you create eye-catching graphics using AI. Simply describe what you want, and it generates designs for social media, invitations, marketing materials, and more. Tool 5, CapCut. If you're a content creator, CapCut is a must-have. It can automatically generate subtitles, remove backgrounds, improve audio, and edit videos much faster than doing everything manually. Tool 6, Remove.bg. Need to remove the background from a photo? Upload your image to Remove.bg, and within seconds, the background disappears automatically. It's perfect for profile pictures, product photos, and YouTube thumbnails. Tool 7, Grammarly. Grammarly checks your grammar, spelling, punctuation, and writing style as you type. Whether you're writing emails, assignments, or reports, it helps make your writing clearer and more professional. Tool 8, Notion AI. Notion AI combines note-taking with AI assistance. It can summarize meeting notes, organize ideas, generate content, and help you manage projects more efficiently. Tool 9, ElevenLabs. Want realistic AI voiceovers? ElevenLabs can create natural-sounding voices for videos, podcasts, presentations, and audiobooks. It's especially useful if you don't want to record your own voice. Tool 10, Perplexity. The final tool is Perplexity. Think of it as an AI-powered search assistant. Instead of showing a long list of links, it provides direct answers and includes sources, making it useful for research, studying, and fact-checking. Bonus tips. Here are a few tips to get the most from these tools. Always review AI-generated content before using it. Combine multiple AI tools to improve your workflow. Protect your privacy by avoiding sensitive personal information in prompts. Experiment with different prompts. The better your prompt, the better the results. So those are my top 10 free AI tools for everyday use in 2026. Whether you're a student, professional, or content creator, these tools can help you save time and get more done. Which AI tool do you use the most? Let me know in the comments below. If you discovered something new today, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Dawit Technology, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.